Dear students, in this video I am going to teach you revised simplex method. Method we have already discussed, so recall that method. First we have to consider the problem in standard form, that means add slack and surplus variable, so that we are having equality here. Finally, we are having this problem. Fine. Suppose initially x1, x2, xm be the initial basis. They are the initial basic variables. So here the initial basis variable are x1, x2, xm, and among these n variables, x1, x2, xm are basic, and xm plus 1, xm plus 2, xn plus 1, 2 plus xn, these are non-basic variables. C naught is the cost coefficients associated with basic variables. So these are C1, C2, Cm. Initial A naught is nothing but the associated matrix A11, A12, A1m. That means corresponding to x1, x2, xm, these are the vector. These are the matrix. Fine. Coefficient matrix. Now find step number 1, compute pi multipliers, for which we have this formula pi transpose is equals to minus C naught A naught inverse. What is C naught? C naught is this, A naught inverse is this matrix. Find out the inverse of this matrix. Fine. And then where pi is nothing but pi 1, pi 2, pi m, these are total m number of constraints. So these are total m number of constraints, that's why we are having total pi 1, pi 2, pi m transpose. Now in the step number 2, compute Cj dash for non-basic variables. So Cj dash is where given by Cj plus summation of Aij pi I. That means in matrix notation this is nothing but Cj plus jth column of your matrix. For non-basic variable column, jth column, and pi 1, pi 2, pi m. Fine. Now if all Cj dash is less than 0, then current solution is optimum for maximum one. And if not all Cj dash is less than 0, that means some of them are positive, then find the most positive Cj dash. Suppose that is C dash r. This most positive value is corresponding to Cr dash or rth variable, then xr enters the basis, this r, so xr. If here is some any other variable Cr dash, then that will be here. Fine. Now in the third step, find out the ratios. This first find out b1 dash, b2 dash, b dash p, bm dash, which is equals to A naught inverse of this matrix, multiply by the b1, b2, bm, the right hand side column. Fine. Similarly find a1 dash, a dash 1r, a dash 2r, a dash pr, a dash mr, which is nothing but A naught inverse multiply by the rth column due to this rth column. Fine. Now take the ratio. This vector is divided by this element by element, so we get this ratio b dash I divided by a dash ir. Just divide this by element, we get this ratio for I is equal to 1 to m, and this ratio is evaluated only for the positive values. Those which are positive here, this ratio is constructed for only those values. If some value is negative, then we will not consider that value. Fine. Now find the most negative value or minimum value, least. Find out the most minimum value. Actually we are finding the minimum ratio, just like in simplex method. So first find out the minimum ratio, and in simplex method we know that minimum ratio is evaluated for the positive values. Similarly here, find out the ratio for the positive values. Find out the minimum ratio. Suppose that is for the pth row among here, pth row or pth variable, which is b dash p divided by a dash pr. So for I equal to p, and that's why xp variable leaves the basis. Fine. Then find ep. This p is actually due to this pth variable. This pth variable, that's why find the ep. Ep is nothing but the identity matrix. Here rth column, which is nothing but the entering variable. xr enters the basis, rth and pth. So we are using this rth column and pth row. So here we have this column, and rest entries are just like identity matrix. So here this is nothing but, if you will see your this column, so just pth entry. So we will divide each value by this value a dash pr. So a dash 1r is divided by a dash pr, a dash 2r is divided by a dash pr, and so on. And this pth value we will take, just divided by a dash pr each value, and then take the minus sign, minus 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 minus, and at this place just take the reciprocal of this number. So what we get this, so every value is divided by a dash pr, and they multiply by minus sign also, minus a dash 2r divided by this, and take the reciprocal of this number finally. So this is, then old basis is now replaced. This is the old basis. Now pth variable is out of the basis, and rth variable will come in the basis. So that's why this is the new basis. Old c naught is obviously this, and now cp is removed from here, and cr will come here. And then we have to find out the new a naught inverse. New a naught inverse is nothing but ep into old a naught inverse. Fine. So this is the strategy. So here this is actually the a naught inverse. This is a naught inverse. Fine. This is a naught inverse. So this is the strategy. Then we have to repeat the step 1 to 5 till all the cj dash becomes negative. Then optima reaches, and finally optimum solution is evaluated by just multiply by x1 x2 whatever be the variable. Here they will be, the values are evaluated with the help of a naught inverse multiply by b1 b2 bm. And then once you are getting all these, so you can either directly substitute the values into the objective function and get the solution, or another way is just multiply by bi column with pi multipliers, and then multiply by minus sign, you will get the solution. So this is the approach. Fine. Now we will discuss the example in the next video. Fine.